St. Mary's Higher Secondary School Rangblang South West Khasi Hills District haka arpo khandai trik Urisau kalaraki bat lekmen yakasngi play yakajing dapsan postnem jubilixiar daka jing ipo iping limba ki jing shat jing rai ten rai ki jing rai ni ki khenna school haka jing dan lang ki phadar ki sister ki nong hikai ki khenna school ki riunget jong ka balang Catholic ki kemi ki pa jong ki khenna school bat ki bala sha khot sngobha Banshupin kin mau ka St. Mary's Higher Secondary School Rangblang laseng ya kana du usnem 1000 khandai spa nyo pusan bat kala kinjo ya umau mer basan posnem ha usnem ajar apusan jong ka jing shakri jong ka ya ka jing nang jing start bat ya ka balang hakathan hi barok kowe hakani ka singi la yo ru banbu ya umau nongrem jong ka jing dapsan posnem da u Reverend Father Edmund Lakra u principal bat ka jing pen her ya kalama jong ka Jubilee Xiar da u ba Renington L Tongkhar u MLA jong kamau korwat kum ukongsan hakani kasngi lakir khu da ki jingdwai ya udurmat jong udon Bosco da u Reverend Father Edmund Lakra mat uba Renington L Tongkhar habakran kum ukongsan hakani kasngi ula ai ka jingiro ya ki nongseng ya ka St. Mary's Higher Secondary School Rangblang nadu ya ki nong hikai ki khenna school ki bapuli hakani ka school kabadai ru ka school kabala pau bha hakani ka than bat kabala seiru shibon ki khna ki bastat hakini kisan post nem balale ulakit bok e ki nong panya ni ki nong hikai ni ki khenna school bat kum juru ya ki kimi ki pa ba ki nang kiu irat shaprang hakis nem banang wan ulo ongru ba philong ki badan bok tam banyo benta hakani ka jingra ke kemen ya kani ka Jubilee Xiar jokani ka school
ko ninya thak tilang baro
Putra undon ringkat
batiru
doai bang cacu dong undon Bosco bakoi bala kerku bat kito kiba pendun ka because there's a great potentiality here in the school of coming of great leaders. As we this morning, the Bishop Wilbert himself, the past people of this school, and there are great personalities, SPs, MLAs, MDCs, and other great leaders have come from this institution. And the 50 years that you have gone, I congratulate the fathers, the founding fathers of this institution, who had a vision, who had a foresight in laying the foundation for the future of great many students. And this institution, Don Bosco Institution, followed the preventive system of Don Bosco, whose statues we unveiled today. Don Bosco, the father of the young people. He worked greatly for the education and well-being of the poor people. And he followed a system of education called the preventive system, based on reverential fear of God, and loving kindness. Helpful presence, timely corrections and guidance. What I hear now that this school presently has 1,083 students, 41 teaching and non-teaching staff, and it is a center for secondary school leaving certificate, providing an examination center for 22 surrounding schools around here. This school was established in 1975, and thus we are celebrating the golden jubilee of its beginning. I congratulate the fathers.
Kita kibala poi kan mau. Ban sedang ni kerja sekolah hakisan post nam bersuara. Long balagarku, ya ki visionaries, ya ki badon kerja vision. Kibala don kerja post neo kibala ruai kerja kena sekolah mana. They had a dream. Kila don kerja post neo, bandon kerja sekolah. Hakabagi yo iya kerja job kejoka hadu mentah. Kena ke sekolah. Kalau lei kasyarak kabalat be pada pendiam hajrom jom ulum hakene kadong ka time ki jom ni kadai tang kane ka skol kabala pau nam bar kabala sei ki ru krau jom kari jom ka jaj penre gisok men bantep bada ki katno pheungot katno spangot kilame ki father na kane ka skol kilame ki sisters na kane ka skol kilame ki officers na kane ka skol kilame ki nong hikai skol ki babahan na kane ka skol Segau tenat haduk kata-kata bandon kena kejing yatu kanai ke bagas ko komikro hasyirkom tehai kalong ke sisa ha ke baki breu ki om kajing start kren pareng ki orang belang bawa uba buat hasurok ki om unang marken pareng kata kali karimak sa baki breu ki om bawa uba buat hasurok unang marken pareng harang belang segau tenat haduk kata-kata baju segau ye phi ki kena skol Ketika pengawan teknik function, hak bangidon kentang hangtai hangpo, hak bangidon tambat pi kena skul, haduk kat no pia start berkeren pareng, tambah ngiri keren pareng mentah pada ya bon kikmi pak suatu show, kena habis keren dekat kesri, mereka suatu nak pada ya kajing keu jo ka standard jo ka dekat skul, ya ke bagi ong, ya kata quality education, kata ka skul kaba ai kajing hikai ko bah, ngikme lenti bangkumbat na ai kajing hikai ko bah. Hakini ki posnam baro ki balalet na hakini ki santo teling isnem ngiran don kaji angnor bar kaji ki denti bakane skol kan ya chaprak banang syakri ki khna ki khon jo kane kato kathai banang ai kaji syakri ki bawah hoy na kalian jom ka sarkar khindiat ya ki bakaliya don berta bakane skol hanai ai khumlai karpang ya ki balang ki badon hakane ka parish par ki badon ro ki parish ki bala ai kaji kersan ke barabba ki contribution ki baret ki jongphi hakaw ki perkhat ba kilong ki bam mentoy andre pio iya ka jikar khu hakaw bulai ba kar khu rabba e ka skul da kata ka jingya don banta ka jongphi ko kinong hikai hoy pilak pasgo pabon ki jingduna hakaw le se kampoy ka expectation ki jongphi hakaw pinyo e ki jing seo ko kham hai but ki facilities ki ba kham bha se andre ngai ku bulai ka pan ya ka jingya sha ka jongphi Jogi nong ikai ki bala syong type na ki bala sedang ni kena skol ha ki peu snap menswa bala se ha ke jing sedang om day tang sang peu snap ha ke bala sedang ni skol ki bala ong ifadar mene ba ke skol se sedang la shwai ka taro andre ni yo i ya ke jing yai ne ka jongka ujudon uwei udak